Alright, so right here we have a really simple example on adding fractions. So it's really not that bad. Basically our number one goal, really, is to get like a common denominator right here by multiplying the top and bottom of each fraction, each of these two fractions by some number, right? So like once we get the common denominator, like common denominator could be 4, 6, 12, 217, right? Once we get a common denominator, we can just add the numerators together, and then we'll be done. So we just need to think of numbers that we can multiply top and bottom of each of these fractions by to just get us the same number on the denominator of both fractions. So that might not make much sense, but let me show you. So let's see it. We have a 2 and a 3 right here. We want to get these to the same number somehow. So let's see here. If I multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by like, I don't know, a 3, right? We get a 6 in the denominator. Okay? Now, I'm going to do this as I say, alright? So if I multiply top and bottom of this fraction by the 3, right? So if I multiply this fraction by 3 over 3, right? I'd get, what I get? I multiply numerators together, multiply denominators together. I get 3 over 6, right? And it makes sense. 3 6 is equal to 1 half. Like 3 6 of a pi is equal to 1 half of a pi, right? So that's simple. So we have 3 6. Now, right here, if we multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by, I don't know, if we multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 2, right, times 2 over 2, we get 6 in the denominator also. So multiply numerator, multiply denominator, we end up with 4 over 6. So our new problem is 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6. We can add them together, right, add the numerators together, we get 7 over 6. And that's our final answer. So a really simple example on adding fractions. Number one goal is to get common denominator. But yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned for more cool stuff.